Most people spend their entire lives trapped, not by chains, not by enemies, but by their own minds. They wait for the right moment, the right luck, the right break, and in the waiting, life slips away. The Stoics knew better. They believed freedom is not found in waiting, but in action. So if you feel stuck, here's how to break free. Life has never been easy, and it was never meant to be. From the ancient Stoics, who faced war, exile, and exile, to us today, struggling with doubt, distraction, and fear. The battles may look different, but the essence is the same, and so are the solutions. Today, we'll explore 10 timeless Stoic moves that will help you break free, sharpen your mind, and walk through life with strength. Let's begin. 1. Choose reality over illusion. Stop chasing fantasies of what could be and face what is. The Stoics taught us that the first step to freedom is brutal honesty with ourselves. Illusions keep us stuck. Reality sets us free. 2. Master your response. You can't control what the world throws at you, but you can always control how you respond. Every setback is a test. Will you panic, complain, or act with clarity? Freedom begins the moment you choose your response. 3. Discipline is the doorway. Freedom is not the absence of rules. It's the presence of self-control. Train your body, sharpen your habits, and discipline your emotions. The undisciplined man is always a slave to his urges, his laziness, his fear. The disciplined man is free. 4. Guard your mind like a fortress. Your mind is a battlefield. Every distraction, complaint, and negative thought is an enemy trying to breach the walls. Guard it fiercely. Focus sharp. Act deliberately. Every thought counts. 5. Accept. Don't resist. Freedom is not about bending the universe to your will. It's about bending yourself to the reality of the universe. The Stoics embraced fate, not because they were weak, but because acceptance gave them strength. When you stop fighting what you can't control, you unlock your power to act on what you can. 6. Use pain as your teacher. Pain is not your enemy. It's your instructor. Every wound, every hardship, every sleepless night is shaping you. The Stoics turned suffering into wisdom, not excuses. When you meet pain, ask it, "What are you here to teach me?" Detach to gain control. Don't cling too tightly to possessions, to outcomes, even to people. The tighter you grip, the more fragile you become. Detachment isn't coldness, it's clarity. When you release your need to control everything, you finally control yourself. 8. Live by principle, not by mood. Moods are unstable. Principles are unshakable. Build your life on values, on courage, justice, discipline, and wisdom. When the storm comes, it's not your feelings that will save you. It's your principles. 9. Act, don't wait. Freedom is earned in action, not waiting. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for permission. Pick your first move. Strike now. The man who waits dies waiting. The man who acts lives free. 10. Remember, death is the deadline. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." Freedom comes when you stop living as though life is infinite. Every day is borrowed time. Don't waste it. Still stuck? Break free today. Guard your mind. Embrace discipline. Turn pain into power. Remember, the world will not hand you freedom. You must earn it. And you earn it through action. So stop waiting. Step forward and live free. Start shaping your life today. Subscribe for more Stoic wisdom.